What?
Not so far.
Knott's Berry Farm.
That's very far.
Ah, okay. Not very far.
That's very far.
Yeah, that's the hotel. Not very far. Oh, it's raining. Coming to town.
Oh, really? Is it raining? Are they?
Oh, look at that. I'm busy right now. Okay, I'm busy right now.
You want to read the aimbag?
No, I don't want to read. I don't know how to read Tagalog, you know.
Really?
I don't want, okay, you, Jose,
Yeah?
kung matikas ka talaga,
Pau?
paubaya ko sa'yo itong kele-kele ko. Sem-semen mo. Sorry, ma'am, I'm busy right now. Maybe later, okay? Later, okay?
Ako, hindi sumasagot.
Baka suplading.
It's not answer. Oh, there.
Oh, they're calling.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, can I speak to?
Jose, there's only one, not
Yeah?
two.
What?
Only one, not two.
Can I speak with?
Yeah.
Who's this, please? Who you?
Ganda ng English, parang text.
Hello? Hello? Is this Wilma? Wilma of GMA?
Oh, the bossing.
No. Wilma Escasinas. Escasina.
Here in Casinas right now?
No. Casinas, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Escasinas.
I thought it's Casino.
Masabi ko, Escasillas na. Wilma. Hey, Wilma. Wilma,
Calm down.
can you please stop quiet?
You step first before you quiet.
Yeah.
You step and then
Be cool.
Okay, whatever.
Alright.
Number 49. Artiaga. Artiaga lang pala kayo.
oh, it's so far.
Pare, yeah?
Kilala mo ba yung Artiaga na yan?
Sino?
Tiyo ko yan.
Tiyo mo?
Yung si Lieutenant Korea, veteran yan.
Dito, si
Lieutenant
Artiaga.
Jose Artiaga.
Go.
Tiyo mo yan, ha? Paano mo naging
Ninong
tiyo?
Pinsan ng nanay ko.
Ah, okay.
Namatay sa Korea, 1950.
We have Archaga
Ano
in
kinamatay?
Tondo also.
Gera.
Sa
Korea.
Korea War?
Yultong. Sa
Hero yan, hero.
hero, kaya may kaya niya.
Di ba ikaw hero din? Hero ka? Makinig ka sa kanta ni Jimmy, ikaw hero na.
Ikaw hero na.
Oo.
Ikaw hero, labo mata.
Teka.
Hero,
Hello, Wilma? Are you still there? Are you still alive? And kicking? Puntahan nyo na nga si Wilma.
What, bossing?
You go.
Let's go
Okay,
now.
I go. Smooth. Where's the street?
You go.
Archaga.
49, Archaga.
Where's Archaga Street?
Over there.
Number
Let's go.
49.
Where Archaga Street? Where? Over where?
Over where?
There, over there.
Where? Over where? Number 49, Archaga, is the
Hey,
address of Wilma Escasinas.
bossing miss you. Say hi to bossing.
Hi, Bossing. Say hi.
Hey, how are you?
How are you down?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm okay. Does he have a new song?
You have a new song?
Yeah.
What song?
Stop and looking. Stop. Yun lang.
Just stop, okay?
Can you dedicate that to Jenny?
You dedicate to Jenny, okay? The song. To Tita Jenny.
Yes.
Tita Jenny's song.
Who's where?
Where is?
We're here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, the reading water is over here. The Metropolitan. Oh, what a nice gate. I love your gate, you know.
What?
Be careful, huh?
Very safe.
Nice gate, huh?
Excuse.
Oh, we have a children's party here, bossing.
Really?
Yeah, we have
Yes, see?
we have Pabiten over there.
Oh,
Hello. Wilma.
Anybody home?
Wilma.
Can we talk to Wilma? please?
Wilma, will you come out? Hey, Wilma, will you please out yourself here? Wilma, where are you?
Is that Wilma's house? Are you
Oh,
sure?
it's Wilma Gate.
Oh, is that Wilma?
Yeah.
That's you, Wilma?
Opo.
Okay, Wilma, will you please kill the cell phone, please?
Yeah, kill this one.
Patay mo rin.
Okay, bossing want to talk to you.
Hi, Wilma.
Hi po, bossing.
Oh, ayan. Nagkaintindihan din tayo.
Opo.
So, how are you?
Teka po.
How are you?
Mabuti naman po.
Can you speak in English, please?
Hindi po masyado.
Okay lang. Kamusta ka, Wilma?
Mabuti naman po.
Okay, sino kasama mo sa bahay?
Mga pamangkin ko po.
Ha?
Pamangkin ko po.
Pamangkin mo?
Opo.
May asawa ka ba?
Meron po.
Nasaan?
Nasa Iloilo po.
Anong ginagawa niya sa Iloilo?
May sakit po siya, kaya nandun po siya nagpapagaling po, bossing.
Tiga Iloilo ba si Mister?
Opo.
Saan sa Iloilo?
Sa Concepcion po.
Abay, batiin mo. Nanonood siya ngayon. Dali.
Papa! Uy, pambili ka ng gamot! Pa! Pa! Meron na tayong pampatanim uli ng palayan!
Ano sabi?
Patanim daw po ng palayan.
Oo.
Opo, kasi po nabaan po yung palayan namin eh. Bali, nag-stop po kami ngayon dahil wala po kaming pantustos uli sa palayan. Bossing!
Opo.
Salamat po!
Okay, congratulations.
Opo, salamat po.
Naiyak ako kay Papa.
I told your husband, but you call Papa.
Yeah.
Papa po kasi tsaka mama ang tawagan namin.
Now I know.
Okay. Sige, congratulations, Wilma. Ha?
Salamat po, bossing!
Sige, pwede ba pumasok?
Can we
Pwede po,
get into your
pwede
house?
po. Opo.
Okay, Hey,
Opo.
enter the dragon.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, bossing. We have
Enter the dragon.
Okay, come on, let's get
Wilma
an
is
extra examination.
Okay. Come
Look
on.
at that. It's very
Yeah. Di pa yung bahay niya?
Hey
no,
man.
not yet.
Hey, can you manage to come up?
Yes,
You look like the broadcaster, Larry.
Larry.
Concha.
Oh, who?
I thought Larry King, huh?
Larry King.
Okay.
With suspended.
Oh, be careful, huh? We have a Neil Buckard over there.
A what?
A Neil.
A
Paco.
little bumper. Oh, it's going up. Second
Yeah,
floor?
it's going up the second floor here.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome everybody. How are you?
Ako po, ayan yung mga maiingay.
Okay.
Okay, careful. Okay, careful. Look at that. Is this your house or your home?
Who are those people in your neighborhood?
Who are these people in your
Okay,
neighborhood?
Wilma, now I want to talk to you,
Mga
Wilma.
pamangkin ko po
Ay,
sila.
ito pala.
Ito po, sister-in-law ko. Mga
Sister-in-law, nephews, and everything.
ano ko, ang bayaw ko po. Brother-in-law.
Oh, the brother-in-law.
Oh, amazing.
Awesome. Awesome family.
Does she have kids?
You have
Children?
kids? Where are the kids?
You have
Wala
kid?
po akong anak. Puro lang po pamangkin.
What happened?
Hindi po kami nagkaroon ng anak ng asawa ko.
But for how many years you been together?
Yeah.
Bali, 11 years po kaming kasal. Tapos 10 years po kami mag-steady.
So who's the differential?
Who's the differential? You or the husband?
Hindi ko po alam kung sino sa aming dalawa.
You check it up yourself?
Opo, okay naman po ako.
Di ba sa kotse yun?
Natatakot po siyang magpa-check up.
About your they tune up already?
Ewan ko po.
That's
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, come on. Look at that. What is this? Oh,
What,
we have
what, what,
sleeping. We have a sleeping tablet over here.
Anak po kasi siya.
Hey.
Si Paolo.
It's
Who's that?
Paolo po, pamangkin ko po.
Paulo. Paulo, why are you there? Come over here. Look
Paulo
at your
is
daddy.
sleeping.
I'm your future daddy.
sleeping?
Come.
Hi, Paolo.
Ito po si Paolo.
May nito ulo.
Pamangkin ko rin po to.
Hey, he just woke up. Maybe he's got Spanish saliva.
Okay.
Kanino mga anak yan?
It's all the pamang.
Opo.
Nephews.
What?
Nephews.
Oh, that's the English of pamangkin. Nephews. Now I know. Okay. Okay. Hirap na ako. It's really hard, okay?
Ako rin, tinamay kilikili ko.
Okay, let's talk
Nakakawis
Tagalog,
na.
ha?
Like this.
I try to speak English, but it's really hard for me.
Yeah.
Hey, there's the
Laughter is the
laughter.
best medicine.